Hey. Okay, I feel 15 and I hate it. I hate it so much. I feel very old. Like, not in a good way. Like, this mascara got out of control today. I just decided that I liked coating it. So, I'm wearing socks and Birks. Basic, I know. But that makes me feel even older. And I'm wearing this crop shirt. Kind of. I mean, if I like pull it up, it's like past my belly button. But like, it's kind of cropped. And I'm wearing these black shorts from Aeropostale. So yeah. We are going to Springbrook Nature Center. Wait, where are we going? Yeah, Springbrook Nature Center. This is the game that my brother was playing. Is so weird. Look at this. It's like this food game. That bro be looking weird. There's no purpose in this video except for the fact that I'm hanging with my cousins and I feel old and my mom is gonna yell at me. So yeah. And like my hair is short, so it makes me feel even older. Oh, wait. Oh no. I'll give you an OOTD outfit of the day, right? Oh, you know what even makes me feel even more basic? My diabetes kit, which is if y'all Robin Conkin don't come for me. I have to do a quick outfit of the day because we are leaving. Yay. This is my outfit. Birks, this like cropped-ish shirt. Okay, you see what I mean? And these black Aeropostale shorts and my Kanken backpack. We gotta go. Like, I need to stop. Bye y'all. I'll see you at the Springbrook Nature Center. What? We are almost there. We just got here. Oh my gosh, it's so hot out. I'm usually not one to complain. JK, yes I am. But, I mean, it's not the hottest it's ever been, but it's definitely a hot one. And, yeah, I did something to my ankle yesterday at my brother's. Like I was running and like pushing swings. Like I rolled my ankle, so like walking, it's awful. I'm only gonna film what they let me film because like, yeah. So it's Springbrook Nature Center. They have like animals in here and stuff. Not like in here. It's echoey. How do you say? Hi. That's my cousin Hattie. My brother just brought a grasshopper in here. My God. Honestly, I don't understand. Say hi to the camera, Nora. Why? That was Nora. Hi. That's my brother. And I'm not gonna show my other brother because he's weird. Being very self-conscious, I regret wearing this top. I'll hold it in. Yeah, this is a better outfit. So currently we're going to see the, oh my God, there's people everywhere. Okay, so here are live, oh yes, they have this humongous snapping turtle in here, like, bro. Guys, look at. Turtles are like my favorite animal. Look at. And they have a frog. Hey, look at this. They have a snake. Let me get up here so you can see better. Slither little snake. We love snakes. I want a snake. What am I doing? There's also a black rat snake. It's like up in there. You can kind of see its tail. Wait, can you even see that? You can't even see it. Okay, I'm sorry. What's down here? Rocks. Oh, there's a turtle in here somewhere. Oh, there it is. There's another. There is a bull snake. They're freaking cool, man. I don't know if you can see that, but he's pretty big.
What's in here?
His head's like back there.
It's
moving. It's moving. His tail is like a cooler pattern than like the front of his body. Oh, here's his face. Kind of. That's his face right there. Oh my god, there's painted turtles. Look at how cute this one. Carter actually found a painted turtle. Can you even see him? There we go. Here he is. Hi, babe. Do you like the camera? Do you like the camera? Like he's like coming towards the camera. What the heck? But yeah, Carter actually custom painted her. And I was keeping one as a pet, which I'm so jealous. But yeah, here's a common toad that you can catch like anywhere. My eyebrows itchy. But yeah, I really want a turtle. Oh hey. He likes the camera. And so does he. Oh, here's his face. That's the bull snake. I don't think I showed you guys the western fox snake, did I? Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did. This was the first snake. There's 3 snakes here. Oh, dang. This snake can turn on, bro. How big it is. It's so big. I feel like the enclosure is a little small for it, but like... I saw over there. And there's a toad like sitting on top. Look at the little dude. He's just sitting up there. Aww. That is the cutest thing. It's kind of satisfying. Like,
don't make anything black. Mama, look at it. Ready, go.
Oh my god, that's so satisfying. Ooh, look at this filter.
Oh, don't.
Okay,
We
so
can't
watch.
see any black
So it's
ones.
black and then we go like that.
Oh, yeah.
It's really cool and like.
I don't see any
It's
black ones.
very satisfying. Like if you just like run your hand along them, they all change colors, which we love that. Most of them are blue. So like if you take this one, for instance, and you go like that, like it's very satisfying. I want a turtle so bad. Like you don't even understand. Look at how freaking cute this is. Literally everything is into that. I can't do it. Just start it up. Oh, I did it. Ha 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 ha. I can't do it like that way.
There's a dead one.
Oh my god. They put a dead bird in here? We love that. Or they put like a fox or something or whatever.
Look at their nails.
Ooh, we love these thick worms.
What is that?
Big leaf. Ew, look at the size of that beetle. No thanks. Look at this worm with the baby worm on top of it. It's just weird. Okay, so yeah, that is the end of this video. It's very lame, I know. We went to Springbrook Nature Center. Just thought you guys would care to see our journey. Anyways, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Oh my gosh. Comment down below. And subscribe to join the fam. Bye. Love you all. See you in the next one. Bye.